Good evening, Cannin users. Welcome back. This is another technical analysis piece with me, Stephen. Always remember to email stephen@cannin.com, Stephen @cannin.com. If you have any companies or any indicators you want us to take a deeper look at, love the feedback and love making the videos for our users. Let's switch into this week. This week we're looking at Choom Holdings, CHOO on the Canadian markets, and CHOOF on the OTCQB market. Here we're looking at the CSE pricing chart. If you want to just flip over, and you'll see pricing since Aurora Cannabis has made their investment has been a little stagnant and overall down. So we're looking at the 4-hour chart. So the last couple months, you'll see overall trend is down. So that's our first thing to note. Today we're looking at the accumulation distribution indicator. We looked at this before. As you know, it's a momentum indicator, and it generally tells us what's happening. Are buyers accumulating or are buyers selling? And so it's looking for divergences between the pricing chart, whether this is going up or down, and the volume to see what's happening on accumulation or distribution. So what are we going to look for when we see the accumulation distribution? We're going to look for divergences, instances where the pricing chart is going up and divergence is going down, indicating that maybe there'll be a trend reversal, or vice versa, the price is going down and the accumulation distribution line is going up, indicating that again there'll be a trend reversal. And those trend reversals are when we want to act. Those are our entries. So let's see what we can see. We'll zoom in a little bit here, and you can see that during this big downward period, we haven't had a lot of, initially, we haven't had a lot of movement on the accumulation distribution. Then it followed. It doesn't really lag similarly to some of the simple moving averages out there. But look here, if we just see the end of the period, the end of the downward swing temporarily, if we follow the mouse down, you'll see that the accumulation distribution actually increased a couple periods, a couple 4-hour periods before that turn. So that's exactly what we're looking for, these changes in slope right here, from one way to the other way. And had we acted on that little change in slope, we would have captured the beginning of this upward tick in price. So what happened here? Let's just keep following it. Little horizontal, upward, change in slope. Right there would be our trigger to get out of the trade. Let's go up. What would have happened? Oh, we would have captured most of that trade. So in this simple explanation, the accumulation distribution would have given us a little bit to trend. Remember, this is a momentum indicator, so combine it with some of the other technical indicators that we've discussed here and you've got in your tool bag, and see how it can help you in periods of not a lot of great movement with the price chart. Get those little wins. Don't be afraid to take your wins and take your value when you see it. So look at Choom, enjoy this week's fundamental analysis, learn the accumulation distribution, add it to your arsenal, and thank you for paying attention.